This is the Minn Kota. Comes with a nice bracket, mounts, has a swivel lock piece where you can lift it up, bring it back down, turn it this way and this way. The bracket itself is very strong. Now with the canoes, you want to mount it on the outside. Now, even though the thrust is going this way, these got teeth underneath here that grab onto the aluminum. You do not want to put on the inside of the canoe because there's no lip here. So the actual canoe moves pretty fast. I'll show you that in a second once we get going. It's plugged in here. I got the battery cable running down. Got it over to a marine battery, and this is a 50 amp fuse, I think it is. So when the motor gets caught, it'll pop the fuse so I can reset it. Positive, negative. It's my marine battery. I just have a mat there holding it.
I mentioned you're not sponsored.
Oh, so anyway, we've been out here all day. Haven't caught anything barely.
Oh, crane!
So anyway, we're gonna pause it. We'll get moving shortly, and we'll record how fast this sucker moves. Okay, guys, we're done for the day. So pull that anchor up. I got this one from Walmart in the U.S.
Oh!
It's only like 20 bucks for this thing. It looks
if he's not careful, we're gonna get capsized.
Looks like a mushroom.
Ah!
How deep is that?
I have no idea. You want me to put it back down into?
No. Let me see it. So that's it there. That's our anchor.
Oh, there's no
Just throw it in the canoe.
Yeah, no, not this time.
That keeps us from floating downstream. So we're gonna get boogie in here.
Keeps us from floating too.
What I'll get you guys to do is put your hand in the water while we boogie. That way I can show these guys the motor. So let's we're gonna change this. This thing's got 3 reverse and I think it's 5 speed forward. So let's change it up here. Okay, we're gone to 5 speeds. Okay, throw your hand in the water. Let's see how fast this sucker moves. So that's how fast this little motor boogies around. So it moves pretty fast.
Look behind you and you see the little lane.
So I got my cell phone camera doing this. Normally I would use my really nice camera, but I'm not taking that out in the water.
Could be like Bugs Bunny.
So I like this motor here. It's pretty good. It's got pretty good speed, eh? For being run off a battery.
I would say, I don't know, about 6 kilometers, maybe 10 kilometers.
Nah, not 10 kilometers.
No, but it's more like 6.
Yeah, I think it's like 3 miles an hour if you're going to US terms. So there you go, guys. If you guys want to get one of these little canoe C30s, you get them at Walmart. They're really cheap. And you can buy this bracket at Bas Pro Shops there. And it'll hook onto your canoe. And like I said, this thing turns pretty good. So like say I'm going to turn to the right. And then let's switch it around the other side. Let's turn it the other way now. Look at that, eh? Look how fast it turns.
Watch Daddy capsize it, but he'll have a funny video.
Yeah, my phone will end up in the drink.
Exactly.
Well, then you won't get it.
No.
Unless you do it real fast, I guess. You'll get the video.
Yeah, as my cell phone's going down in the water.
Well, they say rice dries out circuitry.
Really?
You stick your phone in it.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to find that out. Anyway.
I don't think, if you're going to try that, I think you'd get a whole phone.
There you go, guys. That's basically simple. You can change the depth of it too, and push this button and lift it up out of the water. So, but that's basically the Minn Kota 30-pound thrust, 5-speed. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Jack of all trades. Have a good day.